Yes, we are in 2025, and do you know you can get free data from MTN Ghana? In fact, I've tried, tested, and it works 100%. Do not have any worries about trying the method that I'm going to show you in this video. So without much ado, let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store and download my Momo app, and make sure it's the one from the MTN group FinTech. Once it is done downloading, click on open. Once you click on open, you'll be sent to this welcome screen where you'll be asked to enter your MTN number. But for this to work, make sure the MTN number that you'll be entering here are registered on MTN Momo. So just click here, I mean the enter number button over here. So you just click on the enter number and click on the next button here. Click on next and you move on to the next step. Now once you click on next, they are going to verify your number automatically. So click on next to bypass this page, and they are going to send you a code to your number which will automatically verify it in 30 seconds. So as you can see, it has been verified, and there is another interface that's asking you to enter your Momo PIN. So after entering your Momo PIN, just click on sign in. The next interface is the OTP. I mean the one-time password. An OTP will be sent to your number. So you enter the OTP number over here and click on next. Now once you are done with the OTP, you can set your biometrics now, or you can set it later. So I'll set it later. So all I have to do here is to click on go to dashboard, and here is the interface of the details of your mobile money. Alright, so the next thing is to click on the offers at the button here. Click on offers, and there is a main offer here which is refer a friend. So you click on refer a friend, and what this does is it allows you to refer a friend to download the my Momo app. So once the person has downloaded the app, the person gets free data, and then you also get free data. So enjoy free data bundle for each person you refer to the my Momo app, meaning you are going to get 200 megabytes of data to each friend that you are going to refer. So let me enter one friend of mine number here, then they are going to send a notification to that person or to that friend. So as you can see from the screen, friend referred. So once your friend has registered with Momo and activated their wallet, you get free 200 megabytes, and he too gets 300 megabytes of data for free. So simple like that. So he gets 300 megabytes and you also get 200 megabytes. And this is how you get free data from the MTN Ghana. Now this trick works in any platform like class group or any other group where you can mobilize people to be able to do this. So let's say in your class group you are able to register 15 or 20 people in your class. Let's say you are able to register 20 people. This means you will get 20 times 200 megabytes. That's getting to like 2 gig of data, and can also do this as much as you want. There is no limit of how much data you can be able to claim. You can be able to do this as much as you want, as much as you can. You can refer your friends, your siblings. In fact, if you can take somebody's phone, just do the process for the person to get free data, and you also get in return free data. If you try this and it works, let me know in the comment section. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to share it to your friends. If you are new here, I'm UNS Prince. Your comments are highly welcome. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.